Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious bacon noodles using an easy method. First, gather all your ingredients, including your favorite noodles, bacon, and any seasonings you prefer. Next, cut about 6 slices of bacon into small 1-inch pieces. Then, cook these bacon pieces in a large skillet over medium heat until they are perfectly crispy. While your bacon is cooking, prepare 8 ounces of your favorite noodles according to the package instructions. Once the bacon is crispy, drain it, but be sure to reserve about 2 tablespoons of that flavorful rendered fat. In a separate bowl, whisk together a simple sauce using soy sauce, a bit of brown sugar, and a dash of sesame oil for an extra layer of flavor. Now it's time to bring everything together. Add your cooked noodles directly into the skillet with the reserved bacon fat. Pour in your prepared sauce and toss everything thoroughly, ensuring the noodles are evenly coated. Finally, stir in those delicious crispy bacon pieces and any fresh herbs like chopped green onions for a vibrant finish. Your easy bacon noodles are now ready to be served. For the best experience, enjoy them immediately while they're warm and fresh. You can garnish with extra green onions or a sprinkle of sesame seeds for added appeal. Also, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial well-being, check out the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.